and welcome to another rendition of Monday Money Moments with myself, your host, Dana Miller from Executive Financial Insights. Today we are talking about another financial literacy term, or terms I should say, and that is the names of the three statements that are used for nonprofit organizations, two of which have equivalent names to the for-profit world, and one is identical. So let's start with our balance sheet. In the for-profit world, it is called a balance sheet. In the not-for-profit world, it is called a statement of financial position. It is called that because a balance sheet in the for-profit world has three components: assets, what you own; liabilities, what you owe; and owner's equity, which is what is left. However, in the not-for-profit world, we don't have owners, we don't have equity. We have what are called net assets. So we still have assets, we still have liabilities, but then we have net assets, and that is what is left and available for growth in the organization. So that is your statement of financial position. Very commonly during the working year, nonprofits refer to it as a balance sheet, knowing that it isn't necessarily the true definition of a balance sheet. Our next statement, the income statement for for-profits. For not-for-profits, it's called the Statement of Activities and Net Assets. And the reason it's called that is because a not-for-profit doesn't necessarily have a profit and loss statement because they don't make profits. They basically are reporting on how they are using their resources, both revenues and expenses, to accomplish their mission. So you have at the top revenues, just like you do in a for-profit world. You have expenses next, like you do in the for-profit world. And then rather than net income, you have what is added to net assets at the end of the day. And it shows, like I said, how your revenues and expenses are being used to accomplish your mission. And then finally, the third statement is your statement of cash flows, and it's identical on both reports, or both entities, for-profit and not-for-profit. So there you have it, the three main financial statements and how they are termed and used in the for-profit and, most importantly, in the not-for-profit universe. Thank you for joining me today, and for further information and resources, you can check out our website at www.executivefinancialinsights.com.